Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty and Brains. It's Gabby, and today we're unboxing Fabfitfun. Woo! I sounded like Mario. I'm super excited to try out Fabfitfun. I've been seeing their commercials, their ads every single place. It's kind of annoying at this point, but obviously it got me interested. So here I am. I'm going to open it up. I don't have an X-Acto knife, it's in the kitchen, so I'll just stab it with my pencil. Yep, that's the stuff. Oh, I broke my pencil. Oh no, didn't expect that to happen. Oh. The pencil helped me, it was not in vain. So I'm just going to open it up, and here we are. We have Fabfitfun starter box. On this side it says just the starter box, and on the very top we have a magazine. That's actually kind of cute. So this magazine is the Fabfitfun magazine. It says how the box is curated, eat seasonally, your box is full of secrets, 5 ways to boost your workout. I heard with Fabfitfun, well not heard, I actually browsed the website and everything. I know every single season you have access to free videos, free workout tips, free something else. And you also get a magazine with every box. So yeah, basically they're talking about how it's curated, what the top rated stuff are, what kind of workouts, how to embrace the seasons. And this says, and the adventure begins. That's kind of cute. And they're explaining how the box is curated again. They have horoscopes. I hate astrology, but okay. And then it says quiz yourself. You go to the password puzzle and show the hashtag Fabfitfun. So if I actually fill this out, I might put it on my Instagram. But yeah, if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, I'm at Beauty and Brains Incorp. Oh, it says a note from us. At Fabfitfun, we're all about bringing you the best of the best. That's why we're super excited for you to experience the starter box. It's just a small taste of what you can look forward to as a Fabfitfun member. Enjoy some of the top-rated products, and don't forget that your next box will be even bigger and include even more products. Happy unboxing. Fabfitfun has what's on it. I'm not gonna look at it. I want to be totally surprised. The little sticker on the top has a nail polish icon on it. It's pretty cute. Ooh. Alright, so this box looks pretty full. I'm going to pick up the first thing I see. So this says a Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist. So I guess it's a skin refreshing mist. Ooh, I got some magic going on, alright. Well, before you use this, you'll activate the botanic extract. Holding the bottle 8 to 10 inches away from face, close eyes and mist radiant to you all over skin. Can be used as set makeup as well as throughout the day to refresh and hydrate skin. So, I'm gonna use it now. 8 to 10 inches. I got a degree. I still don't know how to do inches, but oh well, I think this is good. Ooh. That squirted me. Ooh, do you see that? That's not a mist. That's a gunshot. What is that? Mist. That's like. Yeah, that's like attacking. That's not a mist. That's not gentle. It's like. Okay, I should probably not use all of it. I think the nozzle is just defected, but it feels pretty okay. Okay, item number 2. And I pick up a box. It says Dr. Brand Microdermabrasion. Sorry, I have my mist. Dr. Brand Microdermabrasion Age-defying Exfoliant Anti-Age. Renews skin radiance, polishes and smooths, helps diminish the look of fine lines. Oh, this is actually kind of cute. There's a cute packaging. It has this glass, well, not glass, but like hard acrylic over the silver part. I think that's really, really cute. This is just an exfoliator. I'll just open it up, see how it looks. So, ooh, oh yeah, that feels really, really nice. It smells like a mixture between tea. I smell tea. I smell a little bit of lemon, and some herbs. That's what I smell. I heard Dr. Brandt is pretty good, so I'm actually kind of excited to try this out. The next item, because we have 4 items in here, the next item is, sorry, I missed. Renforter Karate. That says karate. Hydra Shine Mask Dry Hair. This is for hair. Leave on for 2 to 5 minutes to tangle, then rinse thoroughly. Anyone who has hair like mine knows you don't just leave stuff on for 2 to 5 minutes. That's like a 20-minute, 30-minute, 2-hour ordeal. That is an event. But let's see how it is. See how it looks. Ooh, okay. It has this plasticky thing to show, you know, hasn't been tampered with. Okay, let's see how this feels. See if it would work on my hair. I mean, it feels pretty okay, just, you know, my hair is very specific and I don't think this will do much to my hair. But it's a nice try. It's a nice try. So we're going on to the last thing in our Fabfitfun starter box. And I'm going on to the last item here. Ooh, what is this? Alright. Ooh. Ooh. I love a good scarf. Alright. Hello, darling. Yes. Yes, my name is Gabrielle. Hello. Hi, peasants. I love this. Oh my gosh. I mean, it doesn't have great quality because, like, I could see straight through it. And the fraying detail on the ends, although it's a nice touch to make it look good in the moment, for long-term use, that's not a good idea because it's going to fray and it's going to break apart real easily. But I understand that they don't want to give like super high quality stuff in a starter box. It's just to get our feet wet, get our lips moistened, and ready to go. I'm not mad at this at all. I don't think I'm mad with anything, honestly. Like this, I can't really use this for my hair, but I'll try it. I'm always down with a good exfoliator. And then this thing, I think the nozzle is broken on mine because it's like a little gun. It's like, it just shoots and it keeps going and it just like a mist is supposed to be like a mist. This hair is like a thunderstorm, man. Who made you? Who defected you? 4 items. But yeah, guys, 4 items. I am not mad at it at all. I am actually pretty excited and happy that although, like I said, the scarf isn't high quality and like the nozzle is broken on the thing, at the end of the day, this box was completely free. They didn't have to do that, but they did. And kudos to you, Fabfitfun, and kudos to you to my lovely Facebook friend. I really appreciate that. I just want to look at the items list, see how much they're all worth. Oh, this thing here, the Dr. Brandt skincare was worth. Go back in the tube. I didn't know you would worth this much. The thing here is worth $79. That is a lot of money. So moving on. The Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew is Effective nozzle, you know, the one that go pew pew instead of ooh. It costs 35 bucks. $5 for this sharpshooter. Scarf. It's a Rachel Pally scarf. A girl can never have so many scarves, especially if it's as cute as this neutral tone gray scarf. I thought this wasn't very good quality because, like I said, you could see through it. It doesn't seem like it's gonna stand the test of time and everything, but this is apparently worth $68. Whew. Just a little. Now for my hair mask that I said will not work on my hair. This one here. This one is the Renee Ferrero Hydrating Shine Mask. And it says that it is worth 36 bucks. So, in order of most expensive to least expensive, this is the most expensive, clocking in at $79. This is the second most expensive, clocking in at $68. This is the third most expensive, clocking in at $36 here. And this here clocks in at $35. For the value of the items, considering it's completely free, obviously for them it would probably be a lot cheaper because they are buying it wholesale and have the ability to give it out in boxes, which is why I think going with subscription boxes actually turns out to be a good revolution in terms of, you know, the amount of money you spend versus the items that you get. You tend to get stuff for a greater value, considering joining BoxyCharm and Lip Monthly, Dollar Lash Club, all these other things that are on my mind. Either way, I am going for it, and I will keep you guys up to date. I will have a subscription box coming in very soon, probably in the next week or so. At the end of the day, I think this is my life now. And I am very happy and very thankful. Yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being so awesome and just supporting my content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.
Me nah no complain. Pretty on your phone screen, I drive you insane. I'm in my own lane.